Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick video of a 4-in-1 clump bucket for a mini skid steer. JoyT5 JT5 SST M4 mini skid steer with a clump bucket attachment. The clump bucket benefit is that you can use it as a grapple if you need to grab something and pick it up, and also it will give you a higher dumping height than a regular bucket. Now we're going to show you. Hey, as you see, it can dump from height like this, and then also it can grab. And with the regular bucket, if you need to dump, the dump height will be lower because you actually need to tilt the bucket. Very handy attachment to have, very popular with our customers. Subscribe to our channel and visit joyt5.com to get more information on excavators, skid steers, wheel loaders, and attachments that we offer.